warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Muhammad Iqbal Latif dari kelas 11 IPS 3 ingin menerangkan tentang genre teks. Yang pertama ada descriptive text. Definisi dari descriptive text adalah descriptive text is a text which say what a person or a thing alike. Purpose to describe and reveal a popular person, place or thing. Genre structure, identification, and description. Language theaters, specific participants, the order of the adjective, the word of simple present tense. Action verb. Example of descriptive text is about Eiffel Tower. Yang kedua ada narrative text. Definition: narrative text is a story with completion of observation event and its details to fancy revelation to solve promise. Purpose: to more to enter the conversation with a story. Genre structure: interpretation, complication, resolution, and coda. Language theaters: first tense, advertisement time, same for the person, action verb, dictate speech. Example of number: take it is Cinderella. Yang ketiga ada spoof text. Definition: spoof text is a text which tell factual story happen in the past time with undercurrent or funny ending. Purpose: to entertain and share the story. Genre structure, attention, event, wide. Language flowing and individual participation. Both material process. You are computer tense. Action verb: pushing at the verb one time and a place thought in sequential order. Example of spoof text is Penguin in the Park. Yang keempat ada procedure text. Definition is procedure text adalah text that explain how something works or thought in execution. Purpose: so expose step in execution to more I have to something. Generic goal: material air indicator step. Language pushing separal imperative remains. Pushing adverbal, pushing action verb, fishing present tense. Example of procedure text is how about the same thing as online day. Yang kelima, report text. Definition: report text is the text which present information about something that is used. Purpose: to present information about something as it is. General content description. Use of general mood, use of relating verbs, descriptor, time as of action verb, use the timeless present. Example of report is the text air. Yang keenam, analytic exposition text. Definition: analytic exposition is a elaborate the interest idea about the phenomena surrounding. Purpose: to analyze the topic and the convince on invite the reader that his opinion is better as argumented. Generic structure: this argument, red ramen. Language photos bring simple present tense on relational process, using internal conjunction, using casual conjunction, using compound and complex tense. Example of analysis expression: text is sold, children wear hats at school. Ketujuh, ada history expression text. Definition: as analytical expression text, authority exposition text as a kind of English text that belongs argument text. Purpose Hortatory expansion is used to persuade the reader of a essential that should not to be care or be done. Generic culture, thesis, argument, recommendation. Language future, simple present tense. There are several arguments that begins with textly, stanley, thirdly, in it, or contain recommendation. Example of story expression text is why people should exercise. Yang ke-8, review text definition. Review text is a relevant of a publication. Purpose is to evaluate, I critique the effects of the artworks for the reader. Generic structure, orientation, evaluation, interpretive recon, evaluation, solution. Language features, present tense, wing long, and sampling low first. Example of review text is review of the Amazing Spider-Man 2. Yang ke-10, description text definition. Description text is a text which present a problem the resource. Purpose to present to point of view about issue or problem. General structure, issue, argument pro, argument cons, solution. Language features, introducing kategori, using thinking verbs, using contractive conjunction, using modality, using adverbal of manner, simple present. Example of the present text is about nuclear energy. Explanation text. Yang ke-10, explanation text. Definition, explanation text is a way relating to forming of natural, pseudo, synthetic, and cultural phenomena. Purpose to explain how why something happens. General structure, general statement, sequence of explanation. Language future-nya, using simple present tense, using absent now, using passive voice, using action verbs containing explanation of the process. Example of explanation text is about natural phenomena. Yang ke-11, anecdote text definition. Anecdote is a text which tells funny and universal events in fact or imagination. Purpose to enter the reader's generic structure, abstract orientation, artist reaction, and coda. Language using past tense, using resolution, using exclamation. Example of this text is a blending dan tragedy. Yang ke-12, recon text definition. Recon text is IQ a text that filling the reader about one story, action of activity. Purpose to resell part experience, generic structure, orientation, event, reorientation. Language text using simple past tense, using temporal sequence, cause on specificity, participant, using the conjunction, using action verb. Example of the context is being led. Yang terakhir ke-13, news item text definition. News item text is a which informs readers about event of the day. Purpose to inform the readers about no story or important event of the day. Applying structure, main event, elaboration, process of information. Language theaters focusing on circumstances, using material process, using action verbs, using saying verb, using adverb of time, place, and manner. Example of news item text is a tone contaminated. Sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.